Welcome to Canvas Grades and SpeedGrader. In this portion, we will be discussing Canvas SpeedGrader. To access Canvas SpeedGrader, there are several options. From the course homepage, looking over on the right side, you can see your to-do list. From there, you can select an assignment that needs grading. The number to the left within the circle indicates how many submissions there are available to grade per assignment. Another way of accessing SpeedGrader is by going to your gradebook, finding the assignment column, selecting the options kebab, and selecting SpeedGrader. And then your final option is by going to the assignment index page, opening up an assignment that you know has some submissions, and selecting SpeedGrader from the related items options in the right corner. So let's look at SpeedGrader. The SpeedGrader menu includes several tools and resources to assist with grading assignments. On the left side of the top menu, you have your general settings and options. The first icon, the notebook with the check mark, takes you back to your gradebook. The second icon, the eyeball with the slash through it, allows you to post or hide the assignment. This is the visibility icon. And then to view SpeedGrader settings, you would click the cog icon. This allows for you to select additional options, where you can select student list sorting options and enable anonymous grading. You can select keyboard shortcuts to open a list of keyboard shortcuts for SpeedGrader. Additionally, you can select Shift and the question mark keys simultaneously on your keyboard to open this up as well. And then Help opens up the Instructor SpeedGrader guides. An important note here is that when moderated grading is enabled for an assignment, final graders or moderators will also view a moderation page button, which will allow them to view the grade summary page for the moderated assignment. The center of the dark blue bar up top includes assignment information and overall grading information. Assignment information includes the name of the assignment due date and time, and the name of the course. To view the assignment details, click the name of the assignment. The assignment details page also lets you download all student submissions. To return to the course homepage, click the name of the course. Grading information includes assignment statistics, including the number of assignments that have been graded out of the total number of students in the course and the average score and percentage. You can use this information to keep track of your grading progress. On the far right, you have your student list. This right side menu bar includes the student list for the assignment. SpeedGrader opens the assignment for the first student listed in the student list, arranged alphabetically by last name. If you have activated Student View, the test student will be shown at the end of the student list. The student list also displays the status of each student's submission. You can also use the student list to find student submissions. Once you have selected a student, the student submission displays in the preview window. Depending on the assignment and submission type, the SpeedGrader preview window may vary. For example, a website URL submission will appear in the main body of SpeedGrader with the option to open the URL in a new tab. Some website URL submissions cannot be viewed in Canvas and must be viewed in a new tab. Media submissions may display as an embedded file in SpeedGrader, or only display as a downloadable file. To provide comments on document submissions, you can use the Canvas Doc Viewer, as we see here, to mark up PDFs, Word documents, and PowerPoints directly within the SpeedGrader. SpeedGrader may take up to 10 minutes after an assignment is submitted to display a document that is supported with the Doc Viewer. By selecting this download button in the upper left corner of the Doc Viewer, You can download the submission, put feedback on the document, and then re-upload the submission. If a Google Drive or Microsoft Office 365 assignment upload is queued for submission, an uploading image displays in place of the student's submission. An uploading icon also displays next to the assignment link. When a Google Drive or Microsoft Office 365 assignment submission fails to upload, or when viewing an unsupported file type in SpeedGrader, an upload failed image displays. Failed submissions display an upload failed icon next to the assignment link. Now, the sidebar in SpeedGrader provides all of the submission details for the student shown in the student list. However, submission details are not shown when an assignment is graded anonymously. You can view the submission details, including the date and time of the submission. If an assignment was resubmitted, you can view previous versions of that assignment. You can also download the submission file by clicking the link. You can complete assessment of the submission by entering a grade in the grade field, or by using a rubric, if available, by clicking the View Rubric button. And you can type feedback, comments, or insert a comment from the comment library using the assignment comments section at the bottom of the sidebar. Assignment comments also display as a new thread in conversations. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.